Hey there, what's up? In this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can transfer money on Truist Bank. So, the first thing that you will have to do is, of course, log into your Truist Bank app or website. And now that you're here, you will go to your transfers. So, it really depends on your screen layout. So, you just gotta explore so that you will be able to actually see that. So, once you see transfers, just go ahead and click that, and then you will click send money, and then after you click send money, you will have to select from account and to account. It can be internal, external, or another Truist user. So you will just have to enter the amount and then review the details and tap send or submit. Then you will confirm via OTP or authentication method, and then you will double check the recipient info to avoid sending money to the wrong account. And that's basically just it. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.